Oh, hi. Welcome to the YouTube channel for HavaDrone. HavaDrone is a one-stop shop for all of your real estate photography needs. What's HavaDrone? Well, we provide photography services for realtors here in Lake Havasu City, Arizona. So here's a short example of a 360 virtual tour. Notice it's not just a bunch of photographs strung together and coming in, going out. It is a true virtual tour where the customer can go in, take a look at everything in a 360-degree radius and vertically, and be able to see everything that is in that room. It's especially useful for the smaller rooms, like the bathroom, the shower, the closet. Taking a regular photograph of these is very, very difficult.
So here is a virtual tour we did recently. As you can see, you can spin around, click onto the hotspots, which will actually allow you to move to the next image. We'll move now to the front door, and from here you can zoom in, zoom out, take a look around, or move on to the next image. This brings you into the home, and you can spin around. As you can see, everything in there is available for you to look at. And if you want a high quality image of a particular place, we can put in another hotspot which will pull down an image, which will take a photograph that we'll take with the high definition cameras. Here we're going to move into the kitchen, and again we can zoom in, zoom out, and take a look around, and continue the progress through to the back of the house, taking another angle, and we'll spin outside. So you can take the whole property. You're not restricted to just taking the shots from inside the house. You can take a look. Here we've got the patio, and we'll make the journey back into the master bedroom. Again, we can see everything in here. Moving into the bathroom, normally the most difficult places to shoot, and there's the dog. So now we'll move into the shower, and the dog's still barking, and from here you can see every detail.
So, there you have it. A little bit of 360 virtual tours, a bit of drone footage, a little bit about ourselves and the services that we offer. There's more, and hopefully future videos will entice you to come back and take a look. If you need us at any time, please, I'll put the links below. Take a look at our website. Facebook page, look up HavaDrone on Facebook. We're there with some of the latest photography that we've done, and I hope you'll give us a call soon. Are we done? Is that the end? Can I go home now?